Hey, I'm Sarah, and I'm so excited because I just got myself this new pan set from All-Clad. Now I got the 3-piece set because I just got an induction stove and I needed some pans to be able to work on it. And this is going to be great. I mean, oh, the feel of this, you can tell this is a nice premium feel, nice and translucent, and this handle is fantastic. They do have 2 different lids and then 3 sizes of pans. So your lids fit into bigger ones. And then our pans are down in here. I mean, this is packaged fantastic. Like I'm impressed with how well this is packaged. So let's get all of these out. We've got the little small guy here. It does have a little inset here that makes it nice and easy to be able to hold. Or if you had like the chef's towel that you wanted to hang around it, you can easily do that. But this is some nice metal. I mean, this is the 8-inch pan. So you can put that on any surface, whether you have like me, the induction, or you can use it on the gas or electric, whatever you're wanting. And then we have our other 2 sizes. So you have a variety of different things you can use this one for. This one is your 10-inch, beautiful as well. I really do like how these handles are. It's just a nice way to be able to hold on to it and have that nice grip without so much bulk. Then you have your last size. Again, all wrapped really nicely. And with this one, you actually have the handle because this is a bigger one. This one is your 12-inch pan. And you have a handle because, of course, this is going to be a little heavier once you get some stuff in there. And these are built to last. Oh my goodness, they feel so nice. Nice and thick. I love how it is non-stick because that way you can put all sorts of stuff in here. And you could even put it in the oven if you wanted to. Dishwasher ready. These things are going to be great for years to come.